Welcome to Conscious Consumer. If you're in the market for a gas range that offers both flexibility and power in the kitchen, you're in the right place. The best gas ranges provide a variety of burner sizes and quick, even heating for all your cooking needs. Whether you're searing meat, baking a cake, or roasting a feast. In this video, we'll explore top options that deliver exceptional performance and value for your money. Let's dive in. Number 5. Samsung NX60A6751SS. Meet the Samsung, a freestanding gas range designed for the modern cook who demands flexibility. The spacious 6.0 cubic foot Flex Duo oven, you can easily split it into 2 separate ovens, allowing you to cook multiple dishes at different temperatures simultaneously. Whether you're broiling burgers or baking brownies, this oven has you covered. The dual door design offers quick access to the top section without opening the entire oven, saving energy and time. Plus, with 5 powerful burners, including a large griddle burner, you have all the versatility you need for any cooking adventure. Rated 4.6 stars at Best Buy, users love its intuitive controls, Wi-Fi connectivity, and innovative features like the air fry and dual oven setup. Although it might take some time to get used to the double oven, this range is packed with features that make it a standout choice. Number 4. Bosch 800 Series H G I8056UC. Step up your kitchen game with the Bosch 800 series, a slide-in gas range that combines upscale design with solid performance. With a robust 4.8 cubic feet convection oven, it's perfect for cooking your main course, though it may be a tight squeeze for multiple dishes. The heavy-duty construction and sleek design, complete with metal control knobs, elevate your kitchen's aesthetics. This range includes 5 burners with power up to 18,000 BTU and a self-cleaning oven, making post-dinner cleanup a breeze. Users give it a 4.5-star rating on Home Depot, praising the handy warming drawer and the sleek design that prevents spills from falling between counters. While the stove's surface might scratch easily, the Bosch 800 series is a solid choice for those seeking a stylish and functional upgrade. Number 3. LG LRGL 5825F. Introducing the LG, a freestanding gas range that combines power and versatility with smart technology. It boasts a 5.8 cubic feet convection oven, perfect for baking, and includes an air fry feature to prepare healthier meals. The cooktop offers 5 burners, including a powerful 20,000 BTU burner for quick boiling and a low simmer burner for delicate dishes. The central griddle burner is ideal for breakfast favorites, and a griddle is included. Users love its sleek design and versatility, giving it a 4.7-star rating on Best Buy. With smart features, you can control and monitor your range via app, or even give commands through Google Assistant. Plus, troubleshooting is made easy with built-in diagnostics. Though the air fryer pan is sold separately, this range offers excellent value with its combination of traditional cooking power and modern convenience. Number 2. Frigidaire FCRG 3083AS. Let's explore the Frigidaire FCRG 3083AS, a gas range that delivers both power and versatility. With a 5.1 cubic feet convection oven, it ensures even heat distribution, ideal for baking. This model features 5 burners, including an 18,000 BTU quick boil burner for fast cooking and a 5,000 BTU simmer burner for delicate dishes. The central oval burner is perfect for griddle cooking. The air fry function lets you enjoy healthier meals, and the one-touch 3-hour self-clean cycle makes cleanup effortless. Plus, the wide storage drawer adds convenient space for your kitchen essentials. Highly rated with 4.7 stars on Home Depot, users love the even heating burners and the middle burner's perfect skillet setup. Number 1. GE JGB 635 REKSS. If you're on the hunt for a reliable gas range without breaking the bank, the GE JGB 635 REKSS might be your perfect match. This freestanding gas range offers 5.0 cubic feet of oven space, more than enough to handle your holiday roasts. While it lacks a convection setting, its 4 burners provide plenty of power, with outputs ranging from 5,000 to 13,000 BTUs. One of the standout features is the self-cleaning oven, a true time saver in any kitchen. Plus, with 3 sleek finishes to choose from, it's easy to match with your kitchen decor. And let's not forget the handy storage drawer, perfect for keeping your baking sheets organized. With a 4.5-star rating on Best Buy, users rave about its value and the convenience of the self-clean feature. If you're looking for an affordable, efficient gas range with a trusted name like GE, this might just be the one for you. Thanks for watching Conscious Consumer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. See you in the next one.